How to fix Instagram Reels not loading issue. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can fix Instagram Reels not loading issue. So before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. So to fix your Instagram Reels not loading, you can first locate your Instagram app and then open it up. After you open up your Instagram app, you can then head over to your bottom right corner, and on your profile, tap on the three lines on the top right. After you do that, you can then scroll down. After you scroll down, you should find data usage and media quality. Head over there. And after you're here, make sure that you've turned off data saver. If this is turned on, video won't load in advance to preserve or for you to use less data. So make sure that the data saver is turned off. And after you've done that, you can then head back. And if it still does not work, simply swipe up from your bottom screen and remove your app from the background. After you've done that, if it still does not fix your issue, head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, go to apps, and on your apps, search for Instagram. Then go to storage and cache. Now from here, tap on clear cache. After you've cleared out your cache, your problem should be fixed. If not, head over to your Google Play Store. This is going to be the final fix. Head over to your search bar and search for Instagram. And if you find any new updates available for Instagram, tap on update to update your app. And if there is no update, you can simply tap on uninstall and then reinstall the app. Doing that will fix the problem. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.